Yes, yes. I'm giving you. I'm giving you that.
Oh,
You can proceed, Kiran, now.
okay, sure, Shamit. Thanks. Joby, is my screen visible?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thanks. Okay, let me open the meeting. In today's class, we'll discuss about locate and find command. Okay,
Hmm?
locate and find command we'll discuss in the today class. Okay, basically, for what purpose we'll be using the locate command is we can use locate command to locate files and directories in the system. That is one thing. Internally, in the words and directories and type and changes is using the locate command. It is to store a data. Okay, as okay, locate command is the data system performance will be improved. That is one thing. If you use locate command, the performance will be used because it is searching in the database. I'll just show you the database as well. Okay, to locate all the files, the command is simple thing. Syntax is simple. Locate and then what you want. Let me enter. Let me log into the machine first. Let me open the terminal here. Okay. See, for example, I want to locate. I'll just search. Let me search what files are available here so that I can. Sorry, let me clear the screen. See, these many files are there. I want to find files with .txt extension using locate command. How you can do that? Locate, and then you need to mention dot here and then txt. If you give, else what you can here you need to mention star here. You want to find out all the things, right? That is fine. See, not found. We need to install that one. Okay.
Oh,
I'll just install that package here. Mm, Let me switch to the root user. Perfect. Now I will just install the locate packages. Perfect. Let
is it
that be installed. Okay.
is that plocate?
Yeah. Yeah. Plocate. Plocate. This plocate.
Yeah. And what's the difference between where is command and which and plocate?
See, I mean, like the plocate is a package. Plocate is a package and locate is a command. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I mean, like this package only locate, you will be able to use the locate commands, all those things. Okay. Previously, I tried to install using tree, right? A tree package. If you want to use tree package, there should be, I mean, like if you want to use the tree command, there is some package for the tree. If you want to use, that is a thing. It is like plocate is a package and then locate is a command.
Okay, okay.
But don't worry about the package. I mean, like, don't worry about the packages. Okay. I mean, like, that is of okay. Just it's a name. A plocate is a name of the package.
Yeah.
Okay. If you want to find out all the, I mean, like all the .txt files, and then just use star here .txt. If you these many files are present, it is going to search in the database, and then it is going to give you the output. That is why it is very fast. Okay. See, these many files are available here with the .txt extension. Oh my God, so many. If I want to find the number, how it is, we can use the piping concept and then WC hyphen L. If you give, you will be able to see 976 are there. Okay. By default, what it is going to, locate command by default will consider the case. If you want to case, you can use hyphen I option. but you know, in Ubuntu, this -i option is not working. Let me check whether it is going to work out or not. See, it is not. I mean, like basically, if you want to ignore the case, you need to use -i option. But in Ubuntu, in Ubuntu Mission, this option is not working. Basically, in Red Hat or CentOS, it is going to work out. Okay. And then if you want to limit, for example, here 976 lines are there, right? I want to limit. I mean, like I need only top five lines. You want to have only top five lines. For that, what you can do is locate and then hyphen limit. You can use this argument, and then you can mention for I mean, like you need, suppose you need five lines, you can use five, and then dot you can use, and then txt you can use like this. That means you will be getting only top five lines. If you want to check the top five lines, slash what is that, boot grub and etc are there. Let me check with the top five lines. If you scroll up, you'll be able to see the same thing. Okay, how many lines are present here? See, boot grub, and then these are the five lines, top five lines. If you want to have the top five lines, hyphen limit argument. Let's screen. Okay. Okay, that is done. Before, just to check whether we have to use -e option exists. That is like, see, I mean, like, you should know whether that file is present or not, right? Before checking. For that, what you can do is you can use -e option here. What you can do is, here there are no, I mean, like there are no jpg files are not available, right? With the jpg files, I mean, like jpg extension, we don't have any files. Let me check with the option e whether the file is present or not. Yeah, file is present because I'm a root user, right? That is why. What I can do is, let me exit as root user, let me clear the screen, and then let me use the same command again here. That command is not available here. What I can say, locate, and then -e, and then star.jpg. If I give, see, I'm having the file, I mean, like jpg files. It is going to before searching, it is going to, I mean, like we can use this option -e to check whether the file is existing or not. This is very important argument, that is -e. Okay, try to remember this option in the shell scripting. When we in part, you know, that time we will be writing a conditions like -e file exists or not. Those conditions we will be writing. Keep it in mind. -e, else you can use this thing, hyphen existing. And then you can mention, for example, don't have file named with Kiran, right? Kiran, and then if I give, even it is giving me, see here, it is giving here Kiran is there, right? That is why it is giving the output here. Okay, that is very important option. Locate command using database to find results. The database will be updated only once per day by default. After updating the database, you know, some files may be deleted. Hence, before printing the results, to check files are existing or not, we can use. See, I mean, like suppose let me check. Suppose I am creating a file here, file named with Karthik.txt. I am creating. Okay, now it is created. Now I will use locate command, locate, and then I will say Karthik.txt. If I give, you will not be able to get the result. If you give ls-ltr, you will be able to see the Karthik file here. But when you use the locate command, you are not able to find this Karthik file, right? Why? Because what I told, the locate command is going to search in the database. And one more thing, like database is going to update for only once per day. If you see locate, let me use this option -e, and then Karthik. If I give Karthik.txt, if I give, even it is saying file is not exist. For that purpose, what you need to do, you need to update the database. For suppose, like it is going, I mean, like the database is going to update in this day. If you come tomorrow and if you check this locate and then Karthik.txt, you will be able to get the results. You will be able to get the output. Okay, but we cannot wait that much time, right? For that, what you can do is you can update the database and you can get the output. Before that, before displaying the result, to check whether symbolic links pointing to the original files or not, we can use a -l option or follow option. If you use follow option, broken symbolic links won't be displayed. That means if you want to check, if you want to check the link files, I mean like link files, you will be having the link files, right? If you want to check the link files, what option you can use, what argument you can use, follow argument you can use, follow and then star.txt. If you give star.txt, follow option, it is not there. It is, I mean like unorganized option, it is saying. Let me use capital L. I mean, yeah, even it is not showing. Let me check. Let me check with the man page, man, and then locate. See, this is updated version, right? This is 22.04. In 18.04 or lower versions, you'll be able to use that. Okay. Hyphen L, hyphen, see, ignore case. See, hyphen I is ignore case. Hyphen E is existing. Okay. Hyphen L is limit. Okay. If you want to limit to certain those things, you can use that one. I want to use capital L. I think there is no such kind of thing, capital L. Okay. There is no, even you can use locate as well. I think this is update one. Okay. Even you can use locate as well. We are using now the locate command, right? This is updated one. Locate, you can use the locate as well. Partick.txt facing, you are not getting the results. Let me check with the locate and then -e. What I want to check star.txt. I will check. No, it is locate. It is not working. Locate. What I will say, a.txt. Yeah, it is working. Plocate is also, we are able to use plocate and locate, both the things. I mean, like in the below versions, locate is a command, but it is 22.04, right? That is why they have updated. Plocate, they have modified it to locate. Sorry, locate, they have modified it to plocate. Okay, they have changed the command. Okay, but same purpose. Even plocate or locate, anything is same purpose only. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, that we can use that follow argument, but we are not getting, maybe in the lower versions it is going to work out. One more thing, like if we can use all options together, that is, we can give locate. What are the options I have showed for existing? If the file is existing or not, we can use this existing. And then if it is link file or not, we can use follow option. Else we can use capital L. And then if you want to limit to certain limit, you can use the limit. If you want to, like, if you want to use only few lines, if you want to use, so for limit you can use. And then you can use like any other, if you want to search any file, all those things you can mention. What I'll do, star dot COF, and then I want to get how many lines are available. For that I will use like this follow option. It is showing, it is telling me that this option is unrecognized, but basically if you go for lower versions it will be available. Even L is option also is not working out. Okay, even in the man page also that option is not available. Man page, if you go to man and locate, if you say hyphen follow option, and then that option is not available. See here, if you scroll down, capital A means all, B means base name, C means database, E means exist, ignore case, P means ignore spaces, -L means limit, Hyphen L means letter. Please enter the name with the quotations. Normally, plocate will escape special characters. Okay. Hyphen L means letter. Zero means null. Hyphen R means regex, rejects, hold. Changes the path. These are the but it, it is available in the lower case, but I'm not sure it is not available in the latest version. That is the thing. I mean, like and then if you search for Karthik file, you are not getting the output, but the file is present. Okay, see, you are not getting the file. If you have an ls -ldr file, get your required output. What I told you, need to update the database. Why we are not getting the results? Because it is locate command is going to search in the database. The database is going to update once in a day. That is why we are not getting the output here. If you want to update the database, what command you can use is locate and then hyphen capital S. If you use, the database is going to be updated. Just click enter. Invalid option. Let me check it. Just give me 1 minute. Man, and then locate. I think it is base name. Find matches in the given database instead of this one. The argument can be used multiple purpose to such database. It can also be possible to give an argument separated by any characters, including escaping. Okay, but if you want to update the database, sorry. If you want to locate the database, locate hyphen s is the command. If you want to update the database, you need to give sudo and then update db. Let me check whether it is going to work or not. Yeah, it is working out. lm. I'm giving my password. Let me switch to the root user. Okay. What I will do. Now let me search with the locate hyphen. Yes. Invalid option it is same. Let me use small s. No. Okay, what I can do. The database will be present where the database will be present is. I will just show you the path where. No, if you use this command, automatically you should get this path. I mean the database path, but option is not working out here. I will just show you the path here. Okay. Let me go to this file ls -ltr. I will say. Here you will be able to see plocate. Plocate command is available here. Database also will be available here.
It doesn't show the path. Path, I think we can use which plocate, right?
Yeah, we can use that one as well. No, basically if you use locate hyphen yes, see man db. Yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. This is the one I'm talking about. Okay. Basically, I mean like which locate also you can use, but I mean like if you use this locate hyphen yes in the lower versions, I mean like lower version of Ubuntu, you are going to directly get this path. That is what I'm searching for. Even you can do that one as which db if you give, it is not giving me. I mean like which man hyphen db. What is the name here? Man db. I think I should not. Where is? Let me use this. Where is man hyphen db? Yeah, where is it is working out. See, you are able to get the complete path. Okay. Basically, if you use this command, locate capital S, you need to get that path, but it's not working out here. See, that is what why we are not getting the result is because we I mean like the database is not updated, right? That is why that in order to get the result expected results we can update the db. I think we need to use hyphen man db we need to use here. Update, sorry, update db. I think this has been changed, that is why. Yeah, it is going. Yeah, the database is updated here. What I can do is let me open another terminal with a normal user, then it would be easy for explaining everything. Let me maximize. Now if you give ls hyphen ltr we are able to see the Kartik file here. Previously we didn't get that using the locate command .txt. If I give, see, now we are getting. Why we got this? Because we have updated the database. We have updated the database manually. Okay, I mean like the database will be updated once in a day. Okay, this is all about the locate command, and then there are few questions regarding this locate command. I'll just quickly ask them. Let me open the notepad as well here. Which of the following option, which of the following are valid options to locate command? Hyphen I and then hyphen limit and then hyphen capital L hyphen E hyphen existing and then hyphen follow, all of the above.
Hyphen existing.
All of the above, right? Hyphen I option if you use, I mean like it is going to ignore the case. See, basically locate command, it is going to consider the uppercase uppercase only. If you use hyphen I option, it is going to consider ignore the case, whether it is uppercase or lowercase, it is going to take. And then if you go for the second one, a limit, what it is going to do is it is going to for example, there will be so many lines. You need, for example, I mean like consider you want only top 5 lines or something like that, right? For then you can use hyphen limit and then hyphen L if you use, it is going to show like whether the link file is available or not, link file is available or not. And then hyphen small e, this is not capital E, this is small e. If you use small e, then it is going to check whether the file is existing or not, that is whether the file is present or not. Same purpose, hyphen e, whether the file is existing or not. Hyphen follow, same, I mean like whether the link file is present or not, like that it is going to show. Command internet uses database to find the result or not. Is it true or false?
Okay. Again.
Locate command internally uses database to find results.
Find the results.
Results in the sense whatever you want to search, whether the file is existing, anything.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, that is true. Option is true. I have showed it practically as well, right? I
Yeah,
have created the Kartik file, and then if I update, you are going to get the result.
Yeah.
So update database, which
Update.
is used by the locate, that is update DB. But you should be root user. Okay. This is all about the locate command. Now let me move to the one, that is find command. Okay. We can use find command to find files and directories present in our system. See, you can use for the same purpose, and file is also for the same purpose. But basically, locate command, it is going to search in the database, whereas the find command, where it is going to search is, it is going to search in the file system. Okay. I mean, like in the file system, like the root and then slash is there, and then again root is there, lib is there, bin is there, etc is there, lib, I mean like opt is there, proc is there, home user home directory is there, and then inside home directories there will be so many things, right? You know all about the file system hierarchy. Okay. It provides more search options when compared with the locate commands. Like when you compare with the locate command, it is going to have more options, that is arguments. Search only files, search only directories, search only name, search only by size. We can search results automatically for some other commands as well. We can even seek the maximum depth as well. You will understand this all these things one by one. Okay, what I can do is it will find all files and directories in the current working directory, and below in Linux file system, this is the default behavior. That is what, if you use find command for searching the file, it is going to search in the file system hierarchy. That is the default behavior of the find command. We can find all files and directories in the specified directory below. For example, I want to find, just simple syntax is like this: find and then /dev. If I give, you will be able to get all files, and then out how many files are present there, dev, and then just symbol wc -l. If you give, you are going to get the number of lines present here. Okay, these many lines are present here. Okay, and then even the same thing will be applicable for any other. Go for /etc. This is all the configuration files will be present here, right? 256 configuration files lines are present in the file /etc. Okay, is okay. And then maximum depth, I told, right? We can restrict to maximum depth. I can do it. Let me come out of, okay, there is another terminal is there, right? Let me use that terminal. Where is the terminal? Yeah. Let me open another terminal. What I will, let me come down here. What I will say, check whether we have the, what I did is, like, if I want to explain the maximum, I need to create some tree structure. Then only I can go ahead and explain that one. But I'm just checking whether anything like that. Okay, no problem. I will create a new that the maximum depth concept. Okay, I'm just giving mkdir and I'm just giving the full path. Okay, absolute path I'm mentioning here, underscore one underscore dir. Dir is enough. Again, level underscore two underscore dir. Again, this is done. Again, same thing, level underscore three underscore dir. Let me give level 4 as well. Level underscore 4 underscore dir. Just one more thing, underscore 5 underscore dir. Okay, this is done. I just click at that, just check that one. Tree, and then I will give level. See, level 1 we are having level 2 directory, inside level 2 directory we are having level 3, like this. This is so that I can explain the 4 directories we are having. Perfect. Okay, what I can do is, inside that I can create a files as well. Let me create files as well. Touch, how can you create file touch, and then file1 dot c, and then level, simple, you need to mention level 1, else I can use this command itself, right? Here I directly come down instead of using all those things. I'm going to use touch, and then file1 dot txt. This is okay. And then inside level 1 we need to have the files, right? I'll just come inside this file1, sorry, level 1 directory, level 1 view here file 2 dot txt. I will give like this. Just give space and then come to level, and then here you need to give file 3 dot txt. Okay, you just give space, go to the directory, file 4 dot txt, just give space, come to fourth level, file dot txt, that is perfect, just give here, and then last one, file 6 dot txt. That means in level 1 we are having is level 1 we are having file 2, level 2 file 3, like that. Just click enter. No, that file or directory it is telling me. What cannot spelling is okay, perfect. Else what I can do, I can directly come to just give me 1 minute. Just let me check with the level. File 2 is okay. File 2 is created here. But this worked out. I mean, like it worked out. This is not worked out. Let me create one by one. Maybe that is touch, and then 2 come down here. File name I need file 3. See, no such file or level underscore 2 happen direct. Are we doing any syntax issues? I mean, like any dot txt. Oh, there is nothing here. This is okay. Why to waste our time? I'll clear my screen. I'll just tree and then level 1 dot. Okay, this is fine. Level 1. Let me directly go to the level 2. Okay. There is no directory, it is saying. Okay, maybe the reason is it is present at level 1. I think we need to go level 1. Okay. What I will say, ls -l, yeah, here it is present. That is why we are getting the error here. Just give me 1 minute. Level 2. Okay. Okay, level 1 we are present. What I will say again, I will use the same thing, touch level 2, and then I'm going to create file 3 dot txt. This is going to work out. CD level. Okay, again I'm going to create another file here, and then level file 4 dot txt. Let me go to level 3 directory, search level, and then I will give file 5 dot txt. Okay, this is done. Level 4 I will give. Again I'm going to create another file here. File, sorry, and then file 6.txt of cd colon okay let me check now. See here, now it is present. Okay. In level 1, we are having file to same thing. Okay. Now, if you want to check the maximum depth option, usually find command will search in all the depths. Okay. If you use like find and if you give level and if you search here, see all the files it is giving directory. It is giving this is uh, it is it is checking complete depth. It is going inside directory 1 again, inside directory level 2, level 3, all those things it is checking, right? For example, I want to restrict this. How you can do that? Find dot means present home directory, user home directory, and then give space here and then single hyphen. Don't go with two hyphens. If you go with two hyphens, you are going to get error. Maximum depth, and then I want only one. Now just click enter. Oh, it is searching in everything. Maybe it is going to search our directory as well. Where is our directory? Instead of doing that thing, let me clear the screen. Let me use this one, maximum depth, and just give our file name. That is not required. Let me remove this one. It's going to give everything that I don't want. I want to search in only level 1. Let me go to this level 1 directory, then it will be easy. Okay, now I will use the same thing. Find dot, that is present working directory. My present working directory, what is my present working directory? If you see my present working directory, this is the one, home Kiran. But now I entered into this level 1 hyphen this dir, right? That I will be able to search here. Previously, like I'm searching in home Kiran, right? That is why we're getting all these things. I mean, like previously we got so many files, right? That is why I changed my path here. Now I will use find and then dot and then hyphen depth. Max depth I want 1. I'll just click enter. See, now we are having only one file 2 and then only one level. Now if you want to increase the level, you can increase just 2. See, now inside the level 2 directory, we are again going to this directory. Now I want to increase the level again. See, if you use the level, see now here, this is the first level. Inside this again, we are having another directory. This is the third level. You can increase the levels here like that. Okay. For maximum depth option, we should use a single hyphen. That is what I told. Like this single. We should not use double one. If you use double one, we are going to get the error. Find command will find hidden files and directories also. Okay, it is going to find the hidden files in the directories and files. Find, that is max depth option, and there is another thing, find by type. We can find only files or only directories by using type option. Hyphen type ffq, it is going means files only. If you want to search directories, then you need to give hyphen d. I'll just show that. What I can do is, so let me come out of this one. Let me go to desktops. Let me go to desktops. Okay, ls hyphen ltr. If I say we don't have anything here, this is not my requirement. Let me go to that level directory only. Perfect. Let me clear the screen so that you will be clear. Perfect. See, in this directory we have files and directories. Now suppose I want to search only files. Find and then hyphen type. If you give space and f, if you search, you are going to get only file 2 is present, file 3 is present, file 4 present, every files only you are going to get only the files here. And if you give find and then hyphen type, And then if you give D here, you are going to get the directories. See, only directories you are going to get. There is no files here. See, only directories. Okay, you can do like that. And then we can use this option simultaneously, but we should use max depth option and then type option. See, that is, I mean, like you can use the both combination also. You can use max depth option and then type option, but you should use max depth option first. That is, let me show you that one. Find and then hyphen max depth. Max depth is okay. I want only 2. Max level is 2. And then what you can do is hyphen type. I want to get only directories. See, perfect. This is working. If you change the if you change the this if you use type in front of this one, you are going to get warnings. I will show that one as well. Type and then hyphen T. I will say space. See, warnings you are going to get. It is going to give errors. You should use first max depth, then only use the other types. Other type, that is type, whether you want to find with such files or not, those things. And then this is like find by type. Now find by name. Suppose you want to find by name. For example, you want to find a search of file something by name, then you can find with the hyphen name option. What I can do is, let me come. Let me, okay, let it be. Now I'll explain find by name. Create some file here, and then this is dot e, comma dot t. Here I will say small letters also I will give. I will give here capital G. Sorry, capital G. Inside this one, I want to create again few more files inside that. G, I will say. Now I'll just click enter. Okay. Now I'll just give ls. I want to see how many files are created. Okay, see, A, B, C till G is created again. If you use this option, I mean like this option, how you are going to get the files? AA, AB, AC, AD, AE, AF, AG, like that. See, AA, AB, like that. Again, B with BA, BC, BD, like that. Okay. Now I want to search with the file name. I
Just
want to get.
okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Just try WC minus L.
Hmm.
I just want to know how many files we created. Pipe. Pipe.
Okay, sure. WC minus L. I think this is not going to work out. This is like if you want to list out the lines, right? Number of lines present is one. You cannot do that. Actually, how many files will be created using this command? I explained at the just give me 1 minute. Let me go to that command. What is the command I have used? Again here, curly braces I have given here is A, sorry, capital A, comma G. I have created and I have created like this txt. Basically, if you give like this, how many files will be created? You are asking this doubt, right?
Exactly.
Okay, I will just explain. Even I have explained this one at the time of file creations. Not I'll come again. See, first it is going to create files with A, B,
Yeah.
B, C, D, E, F, G. Perfect. You understand, right? This one, this one, this one is done. Now this one. Now this one we need to create. If we use like this, how it is going to create is again come down A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, A, F, A, G. A is completed. Now to B. B, B, A. Again B, C. Again B, D. Again B. Again B, F, B, G. B is completed. Now C. CA, CB, CB, even CC also it is going to create. Here also it is going to create AA. Just give me 1 minute.
Me,
AA also it is going to create.
for me, I just want
Sorry.
to know how many text file has been created.
So 49 files will be created. 49 files will be created.
How can we know that WC minus L, right?
That WC minus L not, that is not the command. If you want to get the files count with the count option, we can use count and then no. Let me check. 49 files will be created. G and then G. I'm not sure. Count. No, I think there should be some. I mean, like I'll check this one and I'll come back to the you. I'll ping you in WhatsApp this one. Why to waste our time? We'll just restrict to this one. But basically, like 49 files will be created. Okay, there is an option to check that, but I'm not able to recollect that one. Okay, anyway, we'll check. I'll check that one and I'll do tomorrow class or maybe sometime after. First, let us complete this topic, then we can do all those things. What is the thing? I want to find with find and then hyphen name. I will give hyphen name. And then you want to search with the cap. For example, I want to search, you need to give the quotations here. You want to search with a dot txt, small txt, a dot txt. Then you will be able to get, see here. And then you want to search with AA. You want to search with AA. Perfect. It is working out. You want to search with a small a. There is no file. That is what. Like that you want to search. Even you can search, even you can use the wild characters as well. If you want to search only with single character at the beginning, you can just give then you are going to get all these things. If you want to get two characters, you can give two doubles, two question marks, and then you are going to get all these things. Even you can use the combinations as well, maximum depth as well, but you should use maximum depth first. Okay, if you want to use max depth, you want to use max depth first. Max depth I want to use, then just click enter, you are going to get all those things. Okay, if you want to ignore the case, you can use hyphen I option. Here you can use like this hyphen I option, it is going to ignore the case as well. We don't have any files named with small letters, right? That is why. This is another one, search with file names as well. Now find files by size. This is more interesting. I think we have so much thing. Okay, let it be. We'll complete this one. This one. Find files by size. Okay. Uh, we should use hyphen. We should use this option hyphen size like this. If you want to search with find, if you want to find anything, you can use hyphen size. Okay, there are two symbols. One is plus symbol. Let me explain here. Plus symbol means greater than or over, and then minus symbol is there. Another one, minus symbol is less than. You can consider less than if the file size is less than, like that. To list out all the file names where size is over 200 KB. I want to list out all the file names is over 200 KB. How we can do is just simple find, and then I want to search in root directory. But if I want to search in root directory, I need to use the sudo sudo there, and then give space. I'm searching under root, and then files I want to search, right? You can use type. What you can type, you need to give hyphen here. What is the files you need to search? Okay, that is fine. And then you want to search file sizes which is going to exceed 200 KB. 200 K is okay. Then just click enter. It is asking me password. Even if I give password, not allowing me. One second. Before that, let me go to switch to root user. Okay. Now I will use the same command sudo. You want to find the files where you want to find under the slash directory, and then what you want to find, files you want to find, and then size you want to find, size, how much size it should be, more than 200 KB is enough. Now see, these are all the files it is going to give. These many files are available. Let me find out how many lines are there, how many files are there. wc-l 7052, like I mean like 7052 files are there. Okay, here why we are why we are able to, this one is we are just taking the lines here. We are taking the lines, not the count. If we are checking the lines, these lines are files. Okay, but whereas in the previous things we are not able to, that one is what you need to keep in your mind. Okay,
Okay, got it.
here we are just giving the count, wc count, and then lines we are checking. Based upon these lines we are considering, okay, these are all the files we are considering. Like that, why we are considering these are all the files, we searched with this option. That is what, there should be an option. I'll just take it out tomorrow. Okay, and then that is one thing, to list out all the files where size is over 200 less. My requirement is size should be greater than 200 MB, but less than what is that, less than 4 KB. How we can do is, okay, this one same, find the type and all those things, place here, and then size here, mention the size, and then you want less than 4 MB, right? Just give like this, and then capital M for MB. If you like this, you will be getting, you are going to get, see here, now the file size has reduced. Okay, 6499, previously it was like 7,000 something files. In this requirement, the file size is more than 200 KB and then less than 400 KB, 4 MB. That is one thing. And then now we are checking, I mean like the file. Okay, this is more than 200 KB and less than only files. Now I want to check, list out all the files where file name is less than 200 KB or more than 4 MB. If you use this one, you are only going to get the files with 200 MB less, greater than 200 MB, and here if you don't use anything here in between this one, you are going to get and. That means 200 MB, more than 200 MB, and less 5 MB. That is what. Okay, now if you want to use that R option, I want to get both the things, what you can use is come down here, is you, that is only, right, small letter O, and then come down here, the file size should be less than 200 KB and more than 400 MB. Just give plus symbol here, just give like this, just enter, you are going to get the count here. Let's wait for, see, now 43,000, this much count has been increased. What is the difference between this one and this one? You understood, right? We are using here R, we are using and here. If you don't use anything, and the file, whatever the files, it should be more than 200 KB and less than, if it meets the both criteria, if it meets more both the criteria, then only you will be getting the 6499. Okay, whereas here the file size is less than 200 KB, it is going to take that count. Even the file greater than 4 KB, it is going to take both the things. You know the logics, right? And logic, or logic. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, basically going to work is, if you use and logic, both should be true. both should be true, then only you are going to get the result. Or else both should be false, then only you are going to get the results. Whereas for our logic, what it is saying, like if one of the thing is true, then you are going to get the result. That is, in this case, what it happens is, in this case, what it is going to take is, first, let me explain this one. First one, whatever the files which are having more than 200 KB, and then whatever the files which are having less 4 MB, only these files, only in this range only it is going to consider. Okay, only in between range only it is going to consider. Whereas if you, so I mean like, whereas the second one, less than 200 KB and then more than 200 4 MB. If you use this R option, what it is going to take is, if you use this -O, that is R logic, if you use, what it is going to do is, it is going to take all the files which are less than 200 KB.
Yeah.
Okay, for suppose there are 10 files, okay, less than 200 KB it is going to take. And for suppose there are files which are having more than 4 KB size, like 100, it is going to add 100 plus 10, 110, it is going to give the results. Whereas for this only, for this, it is not going to uh, consider less than 200 KB, or else more than 200 KB, it is not going to take. It is going to take exactly if it meets the requirement of both the things, it is going to take. That is the difference between unlogic and our logic. Both the conditions should satisfy, then only you will get result. Whereas here that is not the case. It is going to take the first results, and then even it is going to take the second results as well. Okay.
So the total count will be 110, the second one.
Yeah, second one will be 110. That is what it is going to consider. First scenario output it is going to take, second scenario output it is going to take, and together it is going to give the output. But this is not the this is not applicable to AND logic. AND logic, what it does is, it is going to take first condition. Okay, first condition is okay. For example, more than 200 KB, if we search with more than 200 KB, let me see that. More than 200 KB. How many files? Let me cancel this one. How many files are there with more than 200 KB? Let me check this one. How many lines are there? Let me check this. How many lines? See, 7,052 are there. Okay. 7,052 are there. But when you use this one, when you use this, for example, here again, I'm using size, and then I'm giving minus 4M. Now the count should increase or decrease if it is R logic.
If it is OR logic, count has to be increased.
But why? I mean, like, it is going to take this 7,052 files. First, if you give this when we give this one, it is going to take 7,052 52 lines are files, consider files are there. And then if you use this AND logic, 4 MB, whatever the files which are less than 4 MB, only those things it is going to take. I mean, like, now the count is 6499. The remaining files are there, right? The remaining files are more than 4 KB, 4 MB.
Yeah.
That is what. And then if you use this hyphen, this, if you use, come down here, and if you use -O, you are going to get so many lines, so many files. It is going to check with the 200 MB, and then like that. See, 63,000 lines are there. It is going to take this one as well and this one as well. If you don't use -O option, it is going to take both the conditions should be satisfied. Okay, that is what. There are questions here. I think we cannot complete the class here. I think there are few more things which need to be discussed. Mm, okay, I think you are clear till now, right?
Yeah, I got it.
What are options? What are the options we have used for finding? We have searched with size, we search with name, we search with type, we search with maximum depth. That is what. There are like 6 ways, 6 options are there. We can use search only files. If you want to search only files, what is the argument we'll be using?
Find minus type F.
Yeah, minus type. That is okay. And
Mm.
then if you want to search only with the directories, you will use type hyphen D. That
Type.
is okay.
Mm.
And then if you want to search with name hyphen name, you are going to use.
Yeah, my name.
And then if you want to search by size, you are going to search with hyphen si size name. Okay, we can search by automatically for other commands. So even if you want to, restrict the depth, you can use hyphen max depth.
Got it.
These are all the six. These are all the 6 ways you can use arguments for the find command. Okay. Tomorrow, what I will do is tomorrow I will there are like questions and then there is some task. There are like I think 9 questions and then 9 questions. After discussing these 9 questions, I need to explain the difference between the find and then locate command. Once
Mm.
that is done, then we are going to move to the next topic, that is compression and uncompression of files using tar, gzip, gunzip, bzip to bunzip. All those things we'll discuss in the tomorrow class.
Okay.
Okay, then if you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the class, today's class.
Yeah, I'm good today. I mean,
Uh,
I just need to practice actually, and then I will come to you.
Even you asked me that doubt, right? What is like how we can find the count of that? I'll check that and I will get back to you, Joby, on this.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay, then Joby, we'll meet tomorrow again at the same time. Bye for now. Have a great day.